Hello everyone. Today in this video we shall discuss about the topic conversion of a rational number into decimal related to chapter 1 number system from NCERT textbook. Okay. So dear children, to convert a rational number into decimal, okay, to convert a rational number into decimal, we divide numerator by denominator. So two cases are arises, okay. Means to convert a rational number into decimal, we divide numerator by denominator. Two cases are arises. The first case is the remainder becomes 0. Okay. The first case is the remainder to performing division, the remainder becomes 0. Okay, the remainder becomes 0. Okay, so after performing division, if the remainder becomes, okay, if the here write the remainder becomes 0, the remainder, okay, the remainder becomes 0. Okay, the children, if the remainder becomes 0, then the rational number is called terminating. Okay, such type rational number is called terminating. Okay, let us take an example. Let us, this is 2 by 9 by 2. Okay, after performing division, so we will get the quotient 4.5. Okay, so here the remainder becomes 0 after a finite number of steps. Okay, the remainder becomes 0 after the decimal of finite number of steps. So such type of rational number is called terminating. Okay, it's called terminating. So terminating decimals, terminating decimal. Okay, so terminating decimal, in terminating decimal, the remainders becomes 0 after a finite number of steps. Okay, and next is second case is the remainder never becomes 0. Never becomes 0. Okay. The second case is to perform division, the remainders becomes never 0. So such type of numbers are called non-terminating, where remainders never becomes 0 after decimal in any number of steps. Okay, in non-terminating decimal expansion, Okay, the remainder never become zero in any number of steps. Okay, so let us see an example. So this is 10 by 3 now dividing, so get 3.3 dash dash. Okay, so here see that here the repeating blocks. Okay, we divide 10 by 3, check here, 3 3 is 9, 1, this is decimal, and again we will do 3 times 3 3 is 9. Okay, your remainder is again 1, so this is 3. Okay, so here see that remainder never become 0 at any number of steps. So such type of number is called non-terminating. Okay, so here in non-terminating, the repeating digit to write bar. Okay, repeating digit put a bar, and we also understood terminating and non-terminating by another way. Okay, conversion of rational number into decimal. So there are two types. The first is terminating decimal, and second is non-terminating decimal. Okay, terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal. In terminating decimal, to perform division, the remainders becomes 0 in a finite number of steps, but in non-terminating, the remainder never becomes 0 in any number of steps. Okay, so these are also two types: non-terminating. First is recurring. This is recurring, and second is non-recurring. Okay, this is also called repeating. Okay, this is called repeating, and this is called non-repeating. Okay, this is called repeating and this is called non-repeating. So non-terminating decimal is two types. First, non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay, also read non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, and second is non-terminating non-repeating decimal expansion or non-terminating non-repeating decimal expansion. So terminating and non-terminating recurring or repeating decimal or decimal number, but this is non-terminating non-recurring or non-repeating is irrational number. Okay, this is irrational number, and these both are rational. Here recurring is two types. First is pure recurring, and second is mixed recurring. Okay, pure means, for example, 0.333. Okay, such type of expansion is called pure recurring and mix like 2 comma 27444. Okay, such type of expansion is called non-terminating recurring mix. Okay, this is mix. Here after decimal there 27 is mixed with repeating digit. Okay, 4. So I hope we understand what is a terminating and non-terminating. Now I am going to solve few problems related to the terminating and non-terminating. Okay, this conversion of decimal, means conversion of decimal to the rational numbers of non-terminating decimal expansion. So let us discuss. Okay, now we shall discussing conversion of terminating decimal into the form p by q. Okay, next topic, how to convert terminating decimal into p by q form. So let us take an example. To write 2.54. Okay, so this is terminating decimal expansion. To convert terminating decimal in p by q, first remove the 0 from the numerator. Okay, remove the decimal from numerator. So from decimal point, first write in denominator 1 and also put up 0. Okay, numbers of 0 as a digit comes after decimal. So here 2 digit comes after decimal, so write 2 0. So this is a conversion of terminating decimal to form of p by q. Okay, and also let this is 2.4. so first write 1 and first write 1 in denominator. Okay, and put right hand side 0. Okay, after as the number of digit after the decimal point. Okay, after the number of digit at the decimal point. So this is 1 digit after decimal point, so write 1 0. Okay, and next conversion of non-terminating decimal, conversion of non-terminating. Okay, and next topic is conversion of non-terminating decimal into form of p by q. Okay, so how to convert non-terminating decimal into p by q. So this can be explained by an example. Suppose the example is express 0.7 bar in P by Q. Okay. Express 0.7 bar in the form P by Q. So this is pure non-terminating decimal expansion. Convert in P by Q form. So first write the given decimal expansion 0 equal to x equal to, okay, 0.7, and now the writing the repeating digit 2 or 3 times. Okay, so this is 0.777 and say this is equation 1. Okay, and next step is, if the repeating digit after the decimal is 1, then we have to multiply by 1. If the repeating digit is 2 after the decimal, then we have to multiply both sides by 100 and also so on. So here repeating digit after the decimal is 1. So in above equation multiply by 10. Okay, so above equation becomes, this is 10x equal to 7.777 and dash 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 so on. Okay, there this is equation 2. Now subtracting equation 2 minus 1. Subtracting equation 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 means 10x minus x equal to 7 point. Okay, this is 7 and 9x equal to 7. This implies x equal to 7 by 9. The value of x is 0.7. Okay, so this is 0.7 bar equal to 7 by 9. Okay, so the decimal expansion 0.7 expressed as in the form of P by Q equal to 7 by 9. Okay. Okay. Let us see another problem. This is mix type. Okay. 0.3 bar express 0.323 bar express in P by Q. Okay, in the form of P by Q. So similarly, first let x equal to 0.2323 so on. This is equation 1. Here the repeating digit is 2 after the decimal, so multiply in equation 1, multiply by 100. So above equation become 100x equal to 2323 so on. Okay, now subtracting equation 2 minus 1. So we will get 99 x equal to 23 and finally get the value of x equal to 23 by 9. Substituting the value of x, this is 0.23 bar. Okay, 0.23 bar equal to 23 by 9. So this is the required Okay, means this is required conversion of 0.23 bar into by q time.